this is how you can inspect a bus that has been blown for maintenance repair. In maintenance repair, or what we call preventive, preventive maintenance, we make sure that we inspect the car for major faults, major leakages, spring, this leaf spring. If the leaf spring is not in good shape, no good condition, we check the valves, we check the boosters, check the brake liners to make sure everything is in good position. Then we make the greasing, and after everything is done. So when you look at the brakes are okay. The leaf springs are okay, not broken. So this leaf spring is okay. You have to check the propeller shaft cross. You have to check the differential seal. It's also intact, okay. You have to check the breather. The differential breather is there. It has some dirt on it, so you have to clean it very well. I have to do this. So when it is playing like this, it's okay. But when there is too much mud on it, chances are that this seal will get damaged. This seal will get damaged because it will not have a breather. Shock absorber, okay, intact. Check the center bearing. Center bearing is okay. This cross is also okay. Another center bearing is okay, and the cross is okay. The silencer is okay. This is the muffler and the silencer also okay. Check the engine brake. However, on this bus we don't use it. We check the harness. We check the brake valve for the front spring. Check the gearbox. Does it have any leakages? Yes, it has a small leakage, but these are minor leakages. They are tolerated. Check the wiring harness up there, it's okay. Check the front springs, good shape, no broken. Other side, good shape, no broken. You come on the front liner. According to the specification of the liner, there are three. You see that there is a white bar, top bar. It's like a top metal. Then down is the liner, and last is the drum. So when this up one comes in the center, that means the brake liner is finished. So you change, but now it's still up. The condition is okay. Come up on the engine. This is the blower. It's okay. And come at the steering rod. Steering rod is also okay. Yeah. Check upside. Check upside on the clutch cylinder. Clutch cylinder is there. I don't think you can see it. Yes. Clutch cylinder is up there. It's good. Check on the steering box. It's also okay, no problem. Yes, so I'm good to go. I'm going to make greasing now. After inspection, all the parts to make sure everything is okay. So after greasing, I will have to drain this air tank so that the water that collects here will get out, so that the system is now out of water. Because whenever water gets from the compressor, it will just come from first here, then go to the air dryer. So this collects the water. It absorbs the moisture in the air, so the air collects here. So we drain it using this stick. But here I cannot drain it because a lot of kachara will come here on the lift. So when it goes down there, I'll pull it and I drain it. Thank you very much. and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. You're welcome.